Pranam and welcome to Ekatvam Yog. Today we'll learn Setubandha. For Setubandha, first lie down in Savasana. Then one by one bring both of your legs near your hips. Next, with a firm grip, hold both of your legs from your ankles. Once you are ready and comfortable with the initial position, inhale and lift your body up. Now maintain the posture by making sure that both of your feet are flat to the ground, your elbows are straight, your knees are perpendicular and thighs are parallel to the ground. Make sure that your chin and your chest are aligned and locked together. While performing this asana, you should not tilt your head sideways, as this may be harmful for your neck. And if you want a better posture in this asana, try to push your hips outwards. Once you are completed with this asana, slowly exhale and come back to the initial position. Relax. Now let go of your feet and one by one let them straight. Now let's revise the steps of the asana that we just performed. First, lie down in Savasana. Second, bend both of your knees and bring your legs near your hips. Next, hold both of your legs from your ankle with your hands. Now, slowly inhale and rise up to attain the Setubandha position. Once you are done with the asana, slowly exhale and draft back to the initial position. Then relax your body step by step. First release your hands, then your legs, and then relax your whole body and rest in the Savasana position. I hope that you learn and practice the Setubandha position. We'll meet again with a new asana. Till then, Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam.